Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 14th of January 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day high and started to go up during the Asian session and couldn't hold and retraced back. And by looking at 10 minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go up and then it got rejected, then passed the previous day close and finally found support and bounced back a few times this volatile wide range. So our plan of action was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price tests this level of support, we take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what we have done, and when the price retested this level of previous day close and the buyers came back here around 10 o'clock, this wave of uptrend was taken with setup B on Nasdaq, one trade here and another one also on S&P 500 that was taken when the price reached this level of support here and bounced back. So these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you can see the performance on this account, which is positive as we reach profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we have 100% win rate from the two long positions taken. However, we can calculate the average win to loss ratio, which was 642, and the largest winning trade was 825. So that was the summary of the trades that we took on some of the prop firm accounts. And on the small 5k CFD prop firm account, you can see the list of trades we have taken. We took 10 long positions on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500, and all of them were closed with profit with no loss. So we had 100% win rate, and I reduced the lot size because of the high volatility. And so far in 2 days we gained $18, and this shows the total profit. And as you see, the profit factor improved to about 33, and this shows the equity curve. So we had $5,006 yesterday, and with today gain of $12, which is equivalent to $720 in 300k futures prop firm account. So we have taken so far 17 trades with 15 winners that resulted in 88% win rate. This shows the largest winning trade and also losing trade, and we had 10 consecutive winners that resulted in about $12 gain and one consecutive loss that resulted in 49 cents loss. So that was the summary of the trades on the CFD prop firm accounts, and hope all these trades taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping on the futures prop firm account and also on the CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.